Hello and welcome again to Happiness Online Math. Today we have a very interesting question on the board, and we are charged with the responsibility to find the value of x. Let us go ahead and solve this question. Solution. So we have 81 over x squared equals x squared over 81. Now, first thing we can do is to cross multiply. If we cross multiply, we have 81 times 81 equals x squared times x squared. 81 times 81 will give us 81 squared. X squared times x squared will give us x squared squared. Right. So we can move 81 to the right hand side so that what we have, the whole thing becomes equal to 0. So now we have x squared minus 81 squared equals 0. Perfect. So now this is looking like it's in the form of a squared minus b squared. And we know that a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b and a plus b. So let's rewrite the whole thing in this format. So our a now is x squared, right? And then our b is 81. Now 81 we can also rewrite as 9 squared if we wanted to do that as well. So now we have x squared minus 9 squared equals 0. So now let us plug in the values into the equation that we found earlier. So now this becomes x squared minus 9 squared. Okay, and then x squared plus 9 squared equals 0. Now we have x squared minus 9 squared equals 0. This is our equation 1. And then we have x squared plus 9 squared equals 0. That's our equation 2. Now, using equation 1, we have x squared minus 9 squared equals 0. X squared is equal to 9 squared. If we move this to the right hand side, or we add 9 raised to the power 2 to both sides. So how do we find x? We take the square root of x squared. So we're taking square roots of both sides. So this is the same thing as x squared times 1 over 2. And this becomes plus or minus root of 9 squared is 81. So, or we can say plus or minus 9 squared times 1 over 2. Same thing. So these cancel out. So our x is equal to plus or minus 9. So x1 is equal to 9 and x2 is equal to minus 9. This is our first set of answers. So the second one, we have x squared plus 9 squared equals 0. Now we subtract 9 squared from both sides, and then we have x squared plus 9 squared minus 9 squared equals minus 9 squared. That cancels out. So we have x squared is equal to minus 9 squared. So if we take the square roots of both sides, we have x raised to the power 2 squared. Let's rewrite the right hand side first. This becomes raised to the power minus 1 times root of 9 squared. We know that I squared is equal to 1. Therefore I is equal to the root of minus 1. Okay? So now we have x squared times 1 over 2 equals I times 9 squared 1 over 2. These 2's cancel out, and this is plus or minus. So now we have x is equal to plus or minus 9i. So x2 is equal to 9i, x3, and then x4 is equal to minus 9i. So therefore, our values of x1 is equal to 9, x2 is equal to minus 9, x3 is equal to 9i, and x4 is equal to minus 9i. And these are the answers to our question. Okay? So we can try to verify these answers to see if they're actually correct. So to verify, we have 81 over x squared to see if it's going to be equal to x squared over 81. So if we take 9, for example, right? So we have 81 over 9 squared, trying to see if it's going to be equal to 9 squared over 81. So this becomes 81 over 81, 81 over 81. At the end of the day, 1 is equal to 1. The left-hand side is equal to right-hand side. If you divide through, you get 1. Okay? Now, if we take x to be minus 9, and we have 81 divided by minus 9 squared, see if it's going to be equal to minus 9 squared over 81. Now, minus 9 times minus 9 is equal to what? Minus times minus will give us plus. 9 times 9 will give us 81. So we get positive 81. So now this becomes 81 over 81. Once again, equals 81 over 81. And these can cancel out. And 1 is equal to 1, meaning that our left-hand side now is equal to our right-hand side. So this just tells us that the answers that we got, the values of x, are correct. Okay, so go through this solution step by step and see how this was solved. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you subscribe and you like it. If you benefited from it, you can share this video to someone that you believe it will be beneficial to. Okay, thank you for watching today's video. I really appreciate you for doing this. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you on the next video, and bye-bye.